Hi, Robin Loznak here. I'm standing along the bank of the beautiful North Umpqua River near my home in southwestern Oregon. I am a professional photographer, videographer, drone operator, public information officer, and firefighter. I grew up in the rural outskirts of Detroit, Michigan. I spent my summers canoeing and hiking in areas of northern Michigan and Ontario. I ended up leading teen adventure trips into the wilderness areas of northern Ontario when I was in my 20s. I graduated from the University of Michigan in Ann Arbor. Go Blue! I worked for the student newspaper while I was a student, the Michigan Daily, which led to a 20-year career as a newspaper photojournalist, primarily in Montana and here in Oregon. In Montana, I worked at the Daily Interlake near Glacier National Park and covered the area extensively for the newspaper. I ended up working as the chief photographer and photo editor at the Great Falls Tribune and led a team of amazing photojournalists for several years. A few years ago, my wife, son, and I moved here to Southwest Oregon, and I currently work for several organizations as a contract photographer. One of the organizations is an NGO that specializes in providing medical care to individuals and communities after natural and man-made disasters. This work has taken me around the world to the Caribbean, Ukraine, Haiti, and many places around the United States. On active deployments, I lead ground-level communications, providing photos, videos, and media content for the organization's social and traditional media outreach. I also collaborate with Zuma Press as a contract photographer. My photographs, primarily my nature and wildlife images, are shared around the world through the Zuma Press agency. These images are often featured in galleries, such as the Guardian's Week in Wildlife and other Pictures of the Day collections. I'm proud that my work adds moments of beauty and wonder to the news cycle. Last year, I was certified as a public information officer by the state of Oregon. I currently serve as the PIO for my local fire department, where I manage media outreach, write press releases, organize events for VIPs and officials, and even write grants. I recently wrote a successful grant for $10,000 to purchase a public safety drone for the fire department. I'm also managing the startup of that drone program with the fire department, and it's been super successful so far. Speaking of drones, I'm a certified FAA drone pilot. I have about 60 hours of flight time, and I've started to use the drone quite a bit with my contract photography work, and the clients are very pleased with what I've been providing to them. Back at home, I live on a 500-acre ranch with 1 mile of river frontage along the Umpqua River. My backyard is home to elk, bears, otters, coyotes, bobcats, mountain lions, beavers, and countless bird species. Many of my award-winning pictures I capture right at home in my backyard. That's my story. I'm looking forward to working with Backcountry Journeys and meeting you all. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a great day.